Am I the only one who has been feeling serious brain fog lately, especially after the holidays? My brain just feels a little mushy. I pick all of my kind of brain boosting, nutrient rich, dense foods. I put them all together and I make a delicious smoothie. It's actually really simple. And a banana, all of that natural sweetness, kale, because especially when you're looking for those foods that are brain boosting, greens are always on the list. Avocado, because you want those good fats. Isn't she pretty? Blueberries. You want wild blueberries. About a cup. Wild blueberries have even more antioxidants in them. Half a cup of raspberries. More fiber, cup for cup, than any other fruit. I don't know if the fiber is good for your brain, but it's definitely good for other things, if you know what I mean. Wow. And then lion's mane, it's a dried mushroom powder known for its properties for focus and memory. And then we've got walnuts, tons of omega-3 fatty acids, hemp seeds, some turmeric, homemade oat milk. It's so creamy. My brain is firing on like all cylinders. I think I was supposed to pick up my kids 15 minutes ago.